Hello dear students, myself Vinit Kumar Vasisht from Kite Group of Institution Ghaziabad. Today we discuss the topic of magneto-hydrodynamic systems (MHD). So these are the contents which basically covered in today's lecture: introduction, need of MHD, principle of MHD, type of MHD systems, then open cycle MHD, closed cycle MHD, difference between them, advantage of MHD system, disadvantage of MHD system, application and the conclusions. So we start one by one. First, introduction. What is MHD? Magneto-hydrodynamic system is basically a non-conventional energy source in which basically Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction used. In this particular segment, basically energy is generated due to the movement of the electric conductor inside a magnetic field. So anode and cathode is played an important role in the MHD. Concept basically Faraday is given in 1832 for the first time, where this is the MHD generator. These are the solenoids and these are the electrodes segments. MHD system widely used in advanced countries, but it is in developing stage of developed countries like India. Need of MHDs. At present, a planetary of energy is needed to sustain industrial and agriculture production, and the existing conventional energy source like coal, oil, uranium, etc. not adequate to meet the fulfill the requirements of current demands. So we have to move on to our alternate sources, non-conventional sources like magneto-hydrodynamic systems. What is the principle of MHD systems? Basically, we already discussed Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction takes a major role in the MHD power generation. When an electric conductor moves across a magnetic field, an EMF is induced in it, which basically passes through the which basically produce a current. So in this process, we move the conductor into the magnetic field. This is the Laurent force, which basically work on the principle of F equals to Q V into B, where V is the velocity of the particle, Q is the charge of the particle, and B is the magnetic field. Comparison between the turbo generator and the MHD generator. In the turbo generator, we have to direct conventional use. In this particular segment, we have to use hot vapor gases to run the turbine assembly to generate the electricity, and in the MHD generator we not use the turbine assembly, we directly use the source of hot electricity conducting gases, passes on the basically electrodes anode position, and moving conductor through the electromagnetic field, we generate the current. So this is the MHD principle. Type of the MHD systems. We have different type of the MHD systems, that is open cycle system, closed cycle system, seeded inert gas system, liquid metal system. One by one we have to discuss. This is the open cycle MHD system. In the open cycle MHD system, basically fuel is in the combustor. After combustor, the fuel is compressed and going through the nozzle. After nozzle, the fuel is the conducting form and go through the MHD system, and in this MHD system we have to magnets. Through these magnets, basically the fuel is in the form of hot gases, and air preheater used to basically cool down of the gases. If the direct electrode conducting the current generation, then the current in the DC form. So using the inverter, we have to directly convert into the AC current, and remaining one the hot gases is due to the pre-air heater, we have to cool down and again use the combustor assembly. So the remaining one, the solid particles in the hot gases, the basically seed recovery segment, and in this process we have to removal of the nitrogen and the sulfur contents. Through a stack, we have to directly compose to the environment. So this is the basic principle of the open cycle MHD system. Now we move on to hybrid MHD system. Open cycle. In this particular cycle, we use similar way open cycle MHD system, but the main difference is that after the air preheater, we have to use steam generator assembly. And steam generator assembly, we basically in this assembly, steam generator, steam turbine and the generator are the combined combination with the having condenser. So the whenever hot gas is in the air preheated mode, basically steam generator is run the turbine, and basically steam generator is get condensed the steams into basically running on the steam turbine to generate the electricity. So this is the mainly addition of the steam generator in the open cycle and called as the hybrid MHD system. This is the closed cycle MHD system. In this cycle system, we have to use reactor, pump, condenser, separator. In this particular segment, there is no feeding water, so it is a circulation mode in the closed cycle MHD generator. Basically, in the closed cycle MHD generator, we have to using liquid metal as a working fluid coupled with the steam generator. So fluid is basically after the MHD generator is regularized through the heat exchanger and gaining the form liquid to vapor form. Now, difference between open cycle and closed cycle systems. In the open cycle system, working fluid after generating electricity is discharged to the atmosphere through a stack. Operation is directly on the combustion product. Temperature requirement 2300 degrees centigrade to 2700 degrees centigrade and more developed. In the closed cycle system, basically working fluid is recycled to the heat source and thus is used. Basically helium and argon are the working fluids. Temperature requirement is around 530 degrees centigrade and it is the less developed stage. Now, need for the future research. The MHD basically they use in the extreme condition to temperature, magnetic and electric field. So numerous technology advancement needed to the basically commercialization of the MHD systems. In the better search of the electrode material, we have to stand with the electric, thermal, mechanical and thermochemical stresses and the corrosion factors. Now, advantage of the MHD system, basically conversion efficiency is around 50%. We know that the less fuel consumption, large amount of pollution free power generated, ability to reach full power level as soon as started, plant size is considerably small than conventional fossil fuel power plants, less overall generation costs, no new moving parts, so more reliable system generated in the MHD. Now, disadvantage. What are the disadvantages? Basically suffer from the reverse flow, short circuits. These are the main problem. Needs very large magnetic and the major expenses on the magnetic generation, high friction, high heat transfer losses, high operating temperature. Coal used as a fuel pose problems of molten ash, which basically short circuit of electrodes. So hence oil or natural gas are much better fuels for MHD. So these are the disadvantages of the MHD system. Application: power generation is spacecraft, hypersonic wind tunnel experiments and defense application we have to use MHD systems. Thank you.